Cascading over 268 feet into the waters below, Snoqualmie Falls is one of the most picturesque waterfalls in Washington state. Before we explore this geologically diverse region, I would like to review one of the best hotel experiences I have had during our Pacific Northwest adventure. Snoqualmie Inn by Hotel America lies within the heart of downtown and is surrounded by unique shopping centers, restaurants, and minutes away from the iconic Snoqualmie Falls. Throughout this video, I will be showcasing this modern hotel and all of the amenities it offers. Afterwards, my father and I will explore the lower and upper viewpoints of the falls. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all of the latest travel content. Greetings everyone from the beautiful town of Snoqualmie, Washington. We are currently at Snoqualmie Inn. It's the hotel here by Hotel America, and it was recently converted from a Hampton Inn, and it's absolutely spotless here, as you guys can see. This is a 2-queen suite review. I'm going to be reviewing this room here, and as you guys can see, if you look out the window, you can see there's a city over here. If you go down this way, in that direction, you'll be going towards downtown as well as the falls. We're gonna go visit that for sunset. And then if you go over here, there's like a bunch of different shopping centers. There's a UPS store. We're actually gonna go there next because we have to ship some of our souvenirs that we purchased on the trip, because we're not gonna take a chance with the airport destroying all of our souvenirs that we bought. So, yeah guys, this is the 2-queen suite here. Look at these beds, they're really nice and fresh. Love this. You'll be getting a good sleep in this room. And this is probably the biggest room that we've had so far on the trip. It's just super wide. I love how wide it is. Over here we have a nice little chair, sit in, nice little desk as you guys can see. Also this is you guys can see it's a little wrinkled from all the hiking and stuff, but I got my Goonies shirt that we purchased in Astoria. Look at that. What a great time that was. I absolutely loved Astoria. Wish we had more time there. It was a little bit hectic. All right, we got the mini fridge over here. Really nice stuff. Also down here we have our coffee maker, all of our sugar, creamer. Over here, this is pretty cool. I never have seen one of these in a hotel before. It's like a wire storage rack. You could put your clothes and stuff. Reminds me of something from IKEA. Over here we also have some pull-out seating chairs, a large desk. I have all my computer stuff in here, as you guys can see. All my camera equipment over there. And also over here, just like some modern artwork and stuff too. It's pretty cool. And then we have the thermostat. It's a digital one too, so that's cool. And it looks like 68. That's as low as it goes, but that's all right. I like it at 65 actually. Super cold. Over here we have, oh, that's cool. You could hide the bathroom, and then there's the closet over here with an iron. And they also have a laundry here too if you need to wash your clothes. So you could just move that back just like that. And here is the beautiful bathroom. You can see there's a hair dryer over there, the mirror, all of the towels. They got some good soap products here. We'll be using those. The toilet looks nice and fresh, as well as the shower, of course. Shower's nice and clean too. And this is that's a pivoting one too, so that's cool. I like when it moves, so you could choose where you want that water to go. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. This is going to be pretty much wrapping it up here at the Hotel America. Or the Snoqualmie Inn by Hotel America, I should say. And now we're gonna go over there in that direction to the UPS store and ship all of our souvenirs. And then I was gonna fly the drone here by Snoqualmie Falls because they filmed the TV show Twin Peaks. If you guys are fans of that TV show, this is where it was filmed, in the town of Snoqualmie, Washington. But we're gonna go down to the observation point in the upper falls as well as the lower falls. We're gonna try to get some views of the waterfall itself because I believe it's several hundred feet high. It's a really big waterfall. And I kind of chickened out when we were at the, what's it called, the Twin Falls Natural Area in Olaley State Park previously. My dad had to complete the journey and film the rest of it for me. I don't know guys, I'm just too afraid of heights. I'm not able to do it anymore. But yeah, this is going to be the completion of this hotel review here. And I'm also gonna show you guys the pool. They have a massive heated pool here. Breakfast is included. I believe the price of this hotel was $125 a night for 2 queen suite, which isn't bad at all. It's the cheapest price on this trip so far. All the other ones have been like $250 and above, so a night. But thank you for watching this hotel room review, and I will see you guys later on when we're exploring the beautiful Snoqualmie Falls. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is the pool at the Snoqualmie Inn by Hotel America. Look at that. Absolutely no one here. It's a rather large pool too. And this pool is heated, so we're gonna go here and enjoy this later on in the evening after we're done exploring Snoqualmie Falls. Very nice pool though. And over here you also have a shower room. Perfect. You can take a shower if you want, rinse all that chlorine off. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Love the whole place to ourselves too.
For sure.
Okay, time to check out the waterfall. Welcome everyone to Snoqualmie Falls, our next stop in Washington State. Alright guys, it is that time again. We are going to visit another location in Washington State. We are currently walking down to the lower falls at Snoqualmie. And there's like a little trail here that we could get down to the river, I think. Yeah, down this way it looks like. And this is I think it's a couple 100-foot waterfall. It was featured in the TV show Twin Peaks. And I believe we are on native land right now, so I was gonna fly the drone, but it's actually restricted, so we just checked out of UPS. We got all of our souvenirs shipped. And let's go enjoy this now. This should be really cool. I think we just go, there's also a power plant here, hydroelectric power plant. That's nice right there. It's illuminating those mossy covered trees. So unlike the last place at Olaley State Park with the Twin Falls natural area, we're actually able to get down here, I believe, hopefully, and see it. There's the power plant too. See? No drone. As we begin our hike towards the lower viewpoint of Snoqualmie Falls, we will approach the hydroelectric plant, which features a unique wooden pathway running alongside the facility. The hike also provides industrial history of this area and the significance of the plant for Snoqualmie. What? Oh yeah. There's a hydroelectric plant over there. Pretty big. You can see these are called penstocks. They deliver diverted Snoqualmie River water into the turbines at the Plant 2 powerhouse. Turns it into electricity. It's crazy. It's cool. Hi. In 2010, the Puget Sound, they upgraded the 1910 plant. That's cool. Finally seeing some water. Crazy. After our scenic stroll at the bottom of the falls, it was now time to explore the upper viewing deck. There was a small parking fee at the top of the falls, but luckily someone purchased an extra ticket and offered it to us. I would recommend visiting the upper falls early in the day to avoid crowds. Thank you all for watching today's travel adventure to Snoqualmie Falls, a natural gem within the Pacific Northwest. We are nearing the end of our journey out west, and we have saved the best destination for last. Stay tuned.